with you.
Hey, glad you came back. Hey, check this out. So today I'm making a Greek sauce, right? A tzatziki sauce or a Tzatziki sauce. However you want to pronounce it, I'm making it. Okay? I hope you enjoy this. Look at this. I made a lot of it because I'm going to eat a lot of it to go with my souvlaki, my kebabs, just however you want to pronounce that too. It depends on where you are, right? So you put kebabs together. I know I'm rambling, but you put kebabs together, right? If you're in the Middle East, Iran, if Arabic areas, it's a kebab, right? And even in the U.S., or a lot of other places, it's a kebab, right? But if you're in Greece, it's a souvlaki. Basically the same. It just depends on what territory you're in when you're eating it, right? Mouth all watering. Try some. Got my tasting chopsticks. You always keep those on hand. Creamy, thick, not watery. This is definitely a sauce that you don't want to be running. And this sauce, once you make it, it will hold in the fridge for a few days. Okay? So you can make it ahead of time. I'm all out of control because I can't wait to get this. But anyway, watch the video. I hope you like it because I know I'm about to get on it. Watch. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. All right, now this sauce, the ingredient list is pretty simple. Now, the core ingredients are, your yogurts, your cucumber, your olive oil, your garlic, your vinegar. But this is my setup. So this is what I like to do. I have about a quarter of a cup of olive oil, have about a teaspoon of ground black pepper, about a teaspoon of kosher salt, about 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar, but depending on how much you use, it might give a little hue to your tzatziki sauce. So I use white wine vinegar. A little bit of garlic. Now the garlic is to taste. Okay? If you like a lot of garlic, add more garlic, But the way the peanut gallery is, this is roughly about 3/4 of a garlic clove that's minced up. I like to add mint to my tzatziki sauce, primarily because if I'm going to make it 9 times out of 10, I'm probably going to be eating some lamb with it, and mint and lamb goes so well together. And here I have my dill, fresh dill. I have about 3 tablespoons of that. Then I have my cucumber. It's a large cucumber that I've cut in half. I peeled it, and we're going to be grating that up. Now again, that's the taste too. If you like cucumber, add some more. That's up to you. And then now we have what used to be 32 ounces of Greek yogurt. Now what I've done, I put this into some cheesecloth and I had it hanging and draining in the refrigerator for about the past 20 hours. So I want to get that moisture out of there. So now it's thicker, like a room temperature cream cheese, right? So now let's go ahead and get this cucumber grated up, and I'll show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so now we're going to grate up our cucumber. I'm using the big side, right, so I can just have more control, right? Let's grate it up. As much as you want to grate. If you want just a little bit, grate a little bit. You want a lot, grate a lot. If you want none, don't use the cucumber at all. Be careful of your hands and your fingers when you're using a box grater, okay? Turn it upside down to wipe it on the front without cutting yourself. Okay? Okay, now that we have this grated, we're going to take a couple teaspoons of the vinegar and just mix it in. All right, we're going to let this sit for 15 minutes and then we'll finish making the sauce. So I'll see you in 15. All right, so you might have a couple questions. For example, why did I hang the yogurt? Although I didn't show you guys that, but if you want me to, if I get enough people in the comments that want to know how to do it, I'll do a video on how to do it. But I hang it because I want to get the moisture out of the yogurt. Because I want this to be a nice smooth sauce. I don't want it to be too watery. That's also the reason you're going to see this next step where we're going to take the cucumber that I shredded up or I grated and I'm going to strain or squeeze the liquid out of it and then add it to the yogurt. Okay? So, having said that, we're going to get to it. Let's get to it. All right, so we have our cheesecloth. Just have it on a paper plate here. Our cucumber. Now we're just going to take it. Let's put on the cheesecloth. Now we're going to squeeze the juice out of the cucumber. Yeah. Squeeze it out. Now how much you squeeze out is up to you. But you want to squeeze, most of it out quite a bit. Now we're going to take our cucumber now and add it. See, pull it off the cheesecloth and add it to our yogurt, our strained yogurt. Okay, start the mixing up here. The spatula will come back to that most likely here at the end. But for now, it's just in the way. Mixed in. See, it's not all runny, right? And you want to avoid a runny sauce if you can. Or if you like it, hey, go for it. Now I'm going to add the white wine vinegar in, salt, pepper. We're going to add the mint. I just want like a light hint of the mint, right? Come on, mint, get off of it. And then the garlic. Now let's mix all this in. Now we're going to add our olive oil. Yeah. It's gonna make it extra creamy. Has a nice little richness to it. Now we add our dill. And at this point, I'm going to use a whisk. So I really want to mix it in there. Just want to take your time about it. Make sure the oil is mixed in with the yogurt. Okay. Back to the spatula. The final little turn. All right, and grab some tasting chopsticks. Okay. A little bit. Rich. Creamy. Oh yeah. Excellent. Now, I know you're probably asking, hey, this is tzatziki sauce. Where's the lemon juice? Well, that's why I use the white wine vinegar. I subbed out the lemon juice for that, right? Now, if you don't want to use the vinegar, hey, use lemon juice. So that's why you didn't see it here. Now, can you use both at the same time? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. It all depends on who you're making it for and your taste buds. So you got tzatziki sauce, or some people call it tzatziki sauce. You've seen how I made it. Let me go ahead and get this plated up and see what we got. All right, this guy in into the container. Nice, thick, and creamy. That's what you want. Just a little bit of garnish. There we go. So here we have it. Our Greek tzatziki sauce, or tzatziki sauce, however you like to pronounce it, but here it is. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, hey, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, join the peanut gallery. We have room for you. You know our arms are always open. And the light, we're gonna keep the light on for you so you can find us even in the dark. Also, if we're not connected on Instagram, go to Instagram, put my name in, Shrashira, and let's connect. And if you can, share me out. That being said, I'm about to get in on this. Oh, I have some euros, I have some souvlaki to have with this, some skewers. Oh man, mouth just watering. I can't wait to get to it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.